So we looked in the paper the very first day we came, and we saw where the talk was announced, and we were excited, and we said we must be part of this. Why? Because my area of research and interest is HIV/AIDS, and I'm a professor who teaches about HIV. I also research about HIV/AIDS in different parts of the world, specifically in Africa and in Georgia, in south of the US, and all our students are aware about HIV/AIDS. We know that it's a global pandemic, and we know that there is no part of the world that has not been impacted by HIV. And we just know that women are very important in global health intervention. And when women don't speak up, things continue to go bad. So being an all-female group, except the professor, it was just the right thing for us to do, to come and support and come and help. And this is just the only little way we can contribute to the work being done here in Aruba. At the moment, there is no vaccine and there is no cure for this disease. However, the medication has gotten so much better. And we know that a lot of people, especially in the West and in Europe, in westernized societies, have access to this medication, which is ART, antiretroviral therapy, and it's gotten so much better. But what we find is that many people still lack access to health care and to that kind of medication in different parts of the world. And one of the solutions that we really would like to see happen is that access to the medication gets better, that governments are able to be supported to buy these drugs and to be able to give it free of charge to people who are suffering already. Now, for preventing it, based on my research, I have found that a lot of the people who are exposed to HIV/AIDS are also people who are left behind, who are marginalized, who are affected in one way or the other by societal neglect. So a lot of what we advocate is for people or societies to take a careful look at the conditions of life of people, to improve poverty or to make sure people have employment, that people have education and knowledge, and that people have access to like condoms and things to protect themselves. Right now, globally, the number of people living with HIV/AIDS is 36.9 million people. And the good news, though, is that the number of people living with HIV/AIDS has been increasing, but the number of new infections has been declining. And the number of people dying from the disease has also been declining. The medication has gotten so much better, so people are able to survive more.
Essa aqui tá é Arubiano, o website